All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go into this tutorial that I've been waiting for the past 3 days now. I keep saying I'm going to update us on the procedure for Fintoch, but I've not been able to do that. For some reasons, I've been trying to understand the whole thing, and I have currently made a comprehensive writing of step by step on how to engage with this ecosystem, from creating your personal wallet, from depositing to selecting the lending option for yourself, to staking and then earning 1% on your. That 1% is very huge anyways, so it's important to proceed with caution. It's huge, that's to say. No, there are staking on other platforms, yes, but this is it's not as big as this one. 1% is very low, right? But this is an on-chain staking. It's a DeFi, and I believe it will be sustainable to a large amount of reasons. So do your own research very, very well. We are currently conducting a lot of research on the TMP investment labs, and from there, that is where we're going to be bringing some of this stuff. So we have had a handful of leaders in that group who are going to be contributing in their own smart ways on how to provide a good information about a particular project. So let's go into this tutorial without further ado. So what you do next is you click on this address that I just dropped, and you wait for it to load up. So once it loads, the next place you click is create wallet. Your wallet has been created, which is what you're looking at below on this uh, yellow background. So you want to click the copy symbol right here. See where I'm pointing. You click on the copy symbol, you have copied it, and now you want to go to your notes, whichever type of note you are using. Mine and yours may not be the same. And you enter, type the Fintoch. So my note is different, so your own might not be like this. So you just paste that thing you copy. This is your personal ID on the Fintoch network. So you go back to that place and you click on download. Now when you click on this download, depending on your phone setting, it's going to prompt you. Let's just click on the download. So the next place you want to click is this Android. If you're using Android, if you're using iOS, you click on iOS, right? Don't click on any of this Play Store or whatever. Click on Android. If it's iOS you're using, you click on iOS. So once you click this, it will prompt you to download it. And when you get a notification that says this app is harmful, blah blah blah, just proceed and download. Now when you attempt to install it after downloading, it might also still tell you that your phone does not allow unknown resources to be installed. Now you will need there will be an option of setting button. You click on that setting and you go to that browser and toggle the button to allow you install the app. Once you finish installing, this is the next thing you're going to do. So I'm going to use a cloned version of this app to proceed with this tutorial. Since I already have my own that's been created, so I can't use it again for this tutorial because it won't work. So I'm going to use the cloned version of this app to proceed with this tutorial. Alright, you can see Fintoch here. When you click on Fintoch, it will open up. After downloading, you click on open and wait for the app to come alive. What is going on? Yep, that's it. Alright, we are here. There is already a new version 2.1.6, so but I'll download it when I'm done with this. So this is the interface. You can decide to explore the application, see different stuffs, how it really works. You can actually understand this on your own without anybody telling you, if you are willing to spend the time to explore this whole interface. Now you can see from the above, you see website, regulatory notes, open source, white paper, audit report by CETIC, partners, experience coupon, helping, invite. The most important thing here when you're trying to create your wallet before you stake your tokens is to click on the invite. That is the next place. So I'm going to highlight that button so that you will see what you need to click. So this is it. This place right here. So when you click on that invite, right, you click create wallet. So where do you need to paste that address you created when you clicked the website link? This is where you need to paste it, wallet ID. You paste it into this space. If you have already copied something else and this one is no longer active, so you need now to go back to your note, right, and recopy it again. You can see you go back to your note and recopy it again. So you come back immediately and begin the process. Okay, so we are right back. Paste that address. Now listen to the next instruction very, very carefully so that you don't make any mistake and you won't have any reason to ask any more questions after watching this video. You will create your password. Now, example of password should be, you can see they said enter a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols with at least 8 characters. 8 characters means it has to be as long as 8 stuff, right? 8 words, not words anyways, 8 digits or letters. So it's going to be a combination of letters and numbers. Let's use example. So starting with capital letter E, example. I just typed example, and then you add, let's say for example, 1 2 3 at, this symbol of at, not at, the symbol that represents at. You can choose to use comma or any punctuation mark, right? You can choose to use any punctuation mark like this comma right now, so, or use question mark as well. You come down here, type the same password again, starting with capital letter, example, right? 1 2 3. Use any punctuation mark you like. It can be at, it can be question mark at the end of it, and your wallet must have been created. So once that happens, you will enter the password hint. This is optional. You can choose to do it or ignore it. The password hint simply means hinting the app to be able to remind you where you wrote down your password. For myself, I would say diary. I would say diary. In case if you are looking for it, you lost your phone and you can't remember where you wrote it, so you just type diary. Now the next thing is to click on create. You can see the button that says create here. You click on create and it will port you to the next page where you will see your 12 key passphrase, the same way it is on Trust Wallet. Go ahead, complete the process, write down your phrase in your diary, and then you go back to the main app and view your wallet. So once you complete this process, you are done. So you can now go back to, you're not going to use the clone app, so you're going to use your real app. The reason why I'm going back to the main app is to show you how my own looks like after creating my wallet. Here we are. So if I proceed and click, there are several buttons below your screen. I'm going to point them. Here you can see here, you can see borrow, you can see profit, you can see lending, you can see wallet. So the next thing after doing that is your wallet will become live. You would then need to click on wallet to see what it looks like. These are several coins. Now, the token you are going to be using for staking is TRC20, sorry, BEP20 USDT. BEP20 USDT. I think we should just do some of the tutorials, which is very, very easy after creating your account. BEP20 is what you're going to select. So when I click on this wallet here, you can see that this is BNB, there's BTC, there's Tron, there's TRC20 USDT, there's BEP20 USDT. So when you want to deposit into your wallet, this is what you need to go for, BEP20 USDT. You click on receive, copy the address, go to where you want to fund and fund it with any amount. It will confirm immediately because this is Dex to Dex, Dex wallet to Dex wallet, or you can fund from Binance to this wallet. So whichever thing you want to do, right? Loan wallet, you can see that you don't have any loan, you didn't borrow anything. Now I don't know how this loaning works yet, so but the most important thing where people are making money is in this lending. This is where you stake. So once you click on lending, right, you can see where I clicked, it has turned to yellow, right? This is the lending platform, and that's things that are available. If you look above this place, pay attention so they don't miss anything. You will see that BSC chain, there is Tron chain, which is TRC20, and there is ETH, that's the Ethereum chain. That should be ERC20. There is BSC, TRC20, there is Tron, sorry, there's BEP20, that is BSC chain. There's TRC20, which is Tron chain. There is ETH, which should be on the ERC20 network. Now you want to enter a contract. This one below here is the experience coupon, which is not even important. You can't earn anything from here, just an experience of how it works. So you can go and click on review, on view more to see about how it works. But for you to start instantly, once you make a deposit, it should be up to $100. $100 is the minimum to start with. Once you make the deposit, you are depositing to smart chain, BSC smart chain, that is BEP20 USDT. Don't make the mistake. BEP20 USDT. Don't make the mistake. So once you are done, once the coin you deposited has arrived, you click on grab. As you can see, I will need to enter the amount, which is 100, right? And you click grab. Insufficient balance. That's what's going to show me because I haven't made any deposit yet. So once you make the deposit, you click on grab and then enter the contract by confirming it, and then you also proceed and toggle and click and toggle the button that says auto renew or auto invest, something like that. Once you click that, it will automatically renew each time the contract expires. Every 7 days it will renew itself. As you can see from this end, as you can see from this end here, invest is only 7 days. That is 7D. Yield, daily yield is how much? 1%, right? So that is it. It is as simple as that. So this is the process. I think the next video we are going to be doing is on how to place your withdrawal or how to terminate the contract, like to redeem your USDT back into your Dex wallet, which is still on this platform that you have already created. And then you can choose to keep it here as a store. This can function as the same as Trust Wallet, but if you feel you want to keep your funds in Trust Wallet or whichever wallet you're using that you trust, you can move it there and keep. But I see no reason why you should be holding coins in Trust Wallet. You're not earning any yield. So it's important you put it here for a stake and earn 1% daily on your holdings. So that is exactly how it works, and you can proceed now and do what you want to do with this platform. We are still going to be coming out with more research on dairy, what's that, whatever. When that drops, you will know. So this is what we need to do for now.